Did you know that over 50% of entrepreneurs start their business after the age of 40? That's right. People just like you are taking the leap, pursuing their dreams and finding success later in life. So what's stopping you from starting? Stick around because today I'm going to show you how you can start a business after 40 without breaking a bank, and I'll share two business models that are easy to start right now with a small budget. Starting a business doesn't have to be scary or expensive, even if you're starting later in life. In this video, you'll learn about two online business models that are perfect for those of us over 40. I started when I was 45, and I'm in this for 4 years now. And I just want to share all my experiences, and I will do that on this channel by making videos and where you can follow my journey from scratch. I will start new Instagram account, new YouTube like this, and I will just document my journey. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a guru, I don't want to teach you anything, I don't want to be very experty and stuff, but in my 4 years of experience and 49 years of my life, I think I can share how you can start a business. Many people over 40 hesitate to start a business because they think it's too risky or requires too much money up front. You might be worried about the uncertainty, or maybe you're thinking it's too late for me to start something like this. But let me tell you, those are all myths or limiting beliefs that you have inside of you. Starting a business doesn't have to involve massive risks or huge investments, especially when you start a business online, like I will show you in this video. In fact, online businesses offer the flexibility and scalability that suits our stage in life perfectly. But the challenge is knowing where to begin and how to navigate these limiting beliefs to find a low-cost entry point. That's exactly what I'm going to help you with today. Let's dive into the how-to of two business models that work great if you're starting on a budget. I will give you a step-by-step, high-level picture of how both models work, and I will explain them further in details in later videos. So the first model is affiliate marketing, and here is a step-by-step guide how you can do that and start making money using affiliate marketing. First thing is so-called niche. You need to find something you care about and you love talking about. But the most important thing is you need to find something you can make money in. So explore a bit. Start by thinking about what interests you. What topics or hobbies do you enjoy talking about? Whether it's fitness, cooking, or personal finance, choosing a niche you're passionate about will make you enjoy the process, and the process will be more sustainable. For example, if you love gardening, you can promote gardening tools, gardening books, or gardening online courses. Step 2 is you need to find affiliate program. The easiest way to find is Google your niche affiliate program. For example, gardening affiliate program. Join affiliate programs where you'll promote products and earn a commission. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. It's an easy place to join and you can promote just about anything. But there are also niche-specific affiliate programs like Share a Sale or CJ Affiliate, which are affiliate networks, which offer a wide range of products to choose from. But like I said in the beginning, the best way is to Google your niche affiliate programs and join like a single affiliate program. And I will tell you why. You need one product to promote. So you need to concentrate only one product, and I will explain that in further videos and in the second business model. The third thing is you need to create the content that solves problems. Don't worry, you can go faceless, but I suggest you go like show your face way. But your content can be videos or blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts like Instagram Reels, which work very nice, especially in some niches. Focus on content that helps solve a problem. For example, if you're promoting fitness products, you could make videos or write articles about how to start a simple home workout routine and link to the products you're recommending. Consistency is key. Whether you're posting on Instagram, starting a blog, or uploading YouTube videos, your goal is to create helpful, engaging content regularly. You don't need fancy equipment on a big budget, just start with what you have. You only need a mobile phone. Once people start clicking your links and purchasing the products you recommend, you earn a commission. The more helpful your content is and the more specific problem you are solving, the more trust you build with your audience and the more likely they are to buy from your links. The second business model I want to talk about is selling so-called low-ticket digital products. And here are the 5 things you need to understand when doing that. The first thing is you need to solve one specific problem. Start by identifying one specific problem you can help solve. It doesn't need to be something big or complicated, just a problem that people are looking for an easy solution to. For example, if you're good at organizing, the problem might be how to declutter your home in one weekend. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to create a product that truly helps people, and of course it will be easier to sell that product. After you found your problem, you need to create only one product. Keep it simple. This could be a short guide, a checklist, or a digital planner. For example, if you're solving the decluttering problem, you might create a downloadable weekend decluttering checklist. The key here is to stick to one product that addresses the specific problem you've identified. Target only one audience. You need to think about one specific audience that needs this solution. Who are you helping? Is it busy parents? People living in small apartments? Retirees looking to downsize? By narrowing your audience, you'll make your marketing much easier and more effective. When you know who you are talking to, you can speak directly to their needs and pain points. To keep things simple, start by focusing on creating content for promoting this product on one platform. Remember, don't talk about the product, talk about the problem and your solution. So the product is a solution to a problem you are talking about. Be relatable, build trust, and people will buy for you. And I forgot to say, this is a low-ticket program, so this product needs to be under $100. And keep all that I mentioned about for 1 year. Focus on this one product, one audience, and one platform. It's easy to get distracted by new ideas or feel discouraged if sales don't happen immediately. But by sticking with your strategy for a full year, you give yourself time to build an audience, improve your product, and grow your sales. The key insight here is that starting a business after 40 isn't just possible, it might actually be the best time for you to do it, because you have decades of life experience, skills, and insights that younger entrepreneurs don't have. You already know how to solve problems, you understand what people value, and you have networks that can support you. The trick is to start small and build up. Both affiliate marketing and digital products allow you to start with minimal investment and grow as you go. With the right mindset and resourcefulness, you can build something that's not only profitable but enjoyable too, without the need for big upfront costs. Now, starting a business after 40 is not only possible but can also be incredibly rewarding. Affiliate marketing and digital products are two great ways to dip your toes into the world of online business without spending a ton of money. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your financial future. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on starting an online business in your 40s, and leave a comment below letting me know which business model you are most excited to try. And hey, share this video with someone else who needs a little nudge to start their journey.